Happy, happy kids!
Hello, friends. Today, we are going to learn about the planets in our solar system. Let's begin our journey through space.
This is the Sun. It's a giant ball of hot gas at the center of our solar system. All the planets move around the Sun.
Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. It's small, rocky, and very, very hot.
Next is Venus. It's covered with thick clouds and is the hottest planet in our solar system.
This is Earth, our home. It is land, water, and air, perfect for life.
Here is Mars. It's called the red planet because of its dusty surface.
This is Jupiter, the largest planet. It has big swirling clouds and a giant red storm.
Saturn is famous for its rings. They are made of ice and rocks that go all around the planet.
Uranus is light blue and spins on its side. It's a cold planet far from the Sun.
And here is Neptune. It's deep blue and has strong winds that blow very fast.
These are all 8 planets in our solar system. They move around the Sun and space, each in their own path. Isn't that amazing?